Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mirror a design in Affinity Designer. This is a really useful technique when you want to create symmetrical designs or duplicate elements with a flipped orientation. Let's jump right into it. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens up, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. Either way, make sure you have your workspace ready before moving forward. Now click on the object you want to mirror. This could be text, an image, a shape, or really any element within your design. Selecting the right object is crucial here because this is what you'll be duplicating and flipping in the next steps. After you've selected your object, direct your attention to the right panel, particularly the Layers section. Right-click on the object you just selected, and from the menu that appears, choose Duplicate. This creates an exact copy of your original object, which you'll now be able to mirror without affecting the first one. Next, click and drag the duplicated object and position it right beside the original. This placement helps you see both versions side by side, making it easier to compare and adjust as needed. You're essentially setting up a symmetrical layout at this stage. Now we get to the actual mirroring part. In the top toolbar, click on Transform. From the options that appear, select Flip Horizontal. This instantly mirrors your duplicated object, creating that flipped effect you're looking for. If you want to explore other transformation options, feel free to do so. The Transform menu offers various ways to manipulate your design, so don't hesitate to experiment with what works best for your project. And there you have it. You've successfully mirrored a design in Affinity Designer. This simple process gives you full control over how your elements are reflected and positioned, making your workflow much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.